What's up guys, it's me Zoak. Today I'll be showing you how to fold this new model that I just designed yesterday. It's a frisbee table and it stands just like that. So this is an action model because if you collapse it, it's a frisbee. And you cannot collapse it on one hand because I'm holding the camera, not actually holding. So wanna learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here it goes. So you can use printer paper cut square. So that's what I'm using right now. Printer paper cut square, and this is different because it has a right on it on the other side. See, but that's actually okay. So let's start. So leave it up there. Yeah. So let's start by folding the paper in half diagonally. Oh, let's say that. Let's fold the paper in half diagonally. And then let's crease it sharp. Crease it sharp with your fingernails, but do not pinch it on your fingernails. Just crease it on your fingernails. They're actually the same. And then unfold, and then also fold it in this direction. I'll fold it half in all directions so that all folds have crease. Let's crease. It doesn't really matter you made a mistake because it's only a crease. So now let's fold in half. So crease it sharp. And now unfold, and then also fold this. This is gonna be the last crease. I made of pretty strong creases so that creases in it. So with this bump and also bump it. Okay. So now you see you have this creases right here. So now let's keep folding in half, and then fold this edge to the center crease at the back, and also fold this edge to the center crease on this side, not the back side. So now you see you have this pocket, so open that pocket to make a square base. Yeah, actually you're making a square base. So the phone is low power mode, so let's get faster. So now let's fold this flap to the right flap, then you see this pocket, make a squash fold on it. So we only have 10 minutes. Now we're done. So now let's repeat the same thing on the other side. We'll just flap over the right flap, and then make a squash. So now let's crease it sharp, and then rotate. Let's fold this in half and fold this flap to the crease. I don't know if you can see that, but let's fold this flap to the crease. And then repeat the same thing on the other side. There's actually two flaps you burst two flaps as squash balls, and then let's form this point to to that upper point. Just don't crease at the top, just crease on the bottom. It's actually very hard, but that's okay. I'm gonna try my best. Let's unfold and then unfold all of those, and let's pinch on those pieces like this. See? Now you have some creases, so let's pinch it over, right over, and this crease, and also and then repeat the same thing on all the flaps. So I'm gonna fast forward. Actually, I'm not gonna fast forward. Just let's repeat the same thing on all those pieces. Now we're super close. And I'll just pinch on those table stands. Now you're done. You can figure out how to collapse it. Actually, I'm not gonna show you how to collapse it. You can just figure it on your own. So now, that's how we make it, the table. Let's fix this. So that's how we make it, guys. I hope you enjoy folding this. So now, peace. Bye, guys. Bye.